What's up, guys? It's me. And today we are going to be doing a review My Slime Part 2. Let's get right into it. So the first slime I'm going to do is this one. This one was my favorite one with my friend. It's hard and stuff. I never played this one, but I still keep it because I can always fix it. Only thing I like about it is that it's a little bit sticky. But yeah. Guys, look at that. It doesn't stretch that good, but yeah. I like the noise. It's not like a good slime. Oh yeah, I can brace this off. This is like really satisfying to play with. Except like it doesn't poke or it can stretch like a little bit. Like I mean I can do this, but it won't go back together kinda. Like this slime is just done. It's over with. Its life is done. So this slime I can probably fix. I have activator too, just in case some of my slimes are sticky. You just saw some. Okay, now we have this purple slime. I'm gonna use this to pick up this because it's a purple glittery. This slime is called Purple Smurf. I have some sparkles in it, but it's purple. It's a nice stretchy slime. I'm just gonna try to pick up this before one of my other slimes. I have another container just of the same thing of this. But that one's like a little bit more sticky, I think. This one is a little more than that one. Yeah, this one's like a little bit more of a stretchy slime, so. Yeah, but this one is called Purple Smurf 2. And I just put them in different containers because this would not be able to fit in that with there. So yeah, I just have them in different containers. Okay, next we have this slime. This one's actually just playing with. And it's like a sticky. It's really sticky, like very. So I'm gonna get this untied. Okay, it doesn't want to squirt. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna mix the tide with that. So guys, this video is like a review, like a fix/review slime video. Guys, this always gets all over me. Sticky, like really sticky slime, guys. It gets all over you. Put in the comments if you ever had like a really, really sticky slime, because I have before. I'm gonna use my mixing utensil too. Oh, guys, also I have some stuff over here just in case to fix. I have shaving cream, bubbles, and water. And of course, this is over there. Here it is, I'm fixing it up. I'm not gonna use a lot of Tide because then it won't be able to stretch or poke, pop, or make swirls. even though I'm not that good at swirls. Okay, there we go. This one's on fixed now. This one I put shaving cream in because I like to. And yes, guys, I keep the cap for my shaving cream. Okay, I'm just gonna put like a little bit shaving cream. There. I put a little bit. Just a little bit. You're gonna take back home, home girl. Should I mix? Okay, I should just do it with my hands because it's gonna be all over my hands anyway. Okay. This one's gonna be fluffy. This one just was like not a clear slime, it was like just a regular slime with ties, but it's starting to turn into a fluffy slime. So yeah. You're gonna take back home, home. Okay. I thought I heard something. So, oh, that's Rippy. So there's that one. Okay. This is supposed to be a butter slime, but I've added like a lot of lotion into this. So it's not technically like a butter slime, it's now just like a regular big slime that can make big bubbles. I think I'm gonna name this one Bubble Maker. Because guys, this thing can make huge bubbles. I can show you. I can make big bubbles, but I don't think I wanted to just now. Take back home. Only thing I hate about making bubbles on my table, my slime table, is that it just gets all over the bottom. Okay. Do you see that? So this slime is like the best one. It was a butter slime, but it didn't melt or anything. I just stuff in it. I don't know. But I'm gonna go back to the slime because this slime needs some work. This feels like fluffiest slime in the world. But it's not the fluffiest slime. Because the biggest slime in the world would be like buying every single glue bottle and every single contact solution bottle and every shaving cream they have in the whole world. That would be the biggest slime in the world. That would be like 56 million pools. Yeah. I wonder, you know, like those pools you set up, and they have a ladder. Well, almost all pools have ladders. Not all pools, but most pools. I wonder if anyone made slime out of light. That would be like a lot of money spent and like a lot of glue, a lot of shaving cream, and a lot of activator. Or not? Oh, they should make a biggest clear slime in the world. It would probably take like a few hours. Not a few hours, but like not a few hours. It might take like a while for the clear slime to clear up. It might take like a year maybe for clear slime and like a huge gigantic pool to clear up. But that would be awesome though. That means you would never run out of slime. Guys, look. A slime, the thing I like about it is that it's like a slime, like glue. With like a little bit of activate, not a little bit, like with a lot of activator. I wonder what happens if I put bubbles in this. I'm gonna try it. First I gotta get up with the glitter off my hands. I love slime. In school, my teacher said write about a topic, and I'm writing about how to make slime. I hate school, guys. That's what happened in school today. I had to watch a puberty video, and it was just gross. Like really gross. But thankfully, the boys are not in the same class together. You would think So guys, if you like this video, comment, like, subscribe, click the notifications so you get notified every time you go to video. Click that like button for any more videos. Comment down below any more video suggestions you have. And bye guys.